Now it's time to consider the model as a whole. Go to the left viewport. This is the seat. Let's move it up about this far. This is the ground plane, and we're looking at the seat in elevation here. It will be necessary to rotate the seat some amount so that we can imagine sitting in the seat. I'll move it over too, so that it seems centered on this vertical line. I'd like to have a stem spring out from the bottom of the chair and come down here. Ultimately, it will terminate in a base that rests on the ground. To do that, it will be necessary to project a curve on this surface so that we can do some more modeling. I'll go to the top viewport and sketch a circle using 2D grid snap right here. Go to the perspective viewport, turn off snap, and zoom out. So right now we have two top-level objects. Remember that when you're working with NURBS, everything has to happen within the NURBS object. So I need to either attach or import this circle into the NURBS surface. In this case, I think I'll just attach it so that it becomes a curved subobject. I don't really need the parametric control that importing would allow. Then I'll arc rotate underneath so I can see the bottom of this surface. Open the NURBS toolbox and use this tool to create a normal projected curve. I'll pick the curve and then pick the surface. It's projected. Now why isn't it circular? It's because this circle was projected onto the original NURBS curve. And what we're looking at here is a dependent curve that was offset from the surface that was sculpted. So the curve has been deformed. But no matter, this will work perfectly for our purpose. I can go to the curve level and move this independent curve, and the dependent curve on the surface will move also. You see that? Maybe we should do this in the left viewport so that we can get that right where we want it. That's about right. It looks like it's centered in the right spot on the bottom of the seat.